Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the drive letter of the drive that you have on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Now let me open, or first is we need to open the File Explorer. Click on it under the best match. So I have three drives right here, the Windows C drive, the Google A drive, and the How to Fix Q drive. Now I want to change the drive letter for the How to Fix Q drive. I want to change it into something or a new letter that I really like. So what you can do, on this PC on the left pane, make a right click and then select Show More Options. Click on Manage. Now you'll find storage right here, system tools, storage and the services and applications. Double click on storage. Then you'll find disk management. Double click. Now maximize this. So we have here the Windows C drive, the How to Fix Q drive, and the Google E drive. Now we are going to change the drive letter for How to Fix Q drive. Just make a right click and then select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now, allow access to this volume by using the following drive letter and path. You have here three options: add, change, and remove. We have to click on change. Assign the following drive letters. So I'm going to change this to letter K. You also have choices right here from A to Z. So there are a lot to choose from. Now, once done, click on OK. Then some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? You have to click on yes. Click on yes again. Now make a right click on it. And now this is in the How to Fix Key drive. So earlier it was How to Fix Q drive, but now it is How to Fix Key drive. Now if I close the computer management window, what will appear in the File Explorer for the devices and drives will be How to Fix Key drive and not How to Fix Q drive. So the drive letter has been changed from Q to K. So this is how you can change the drive letter on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.